Hi guys, how you doing? You okay? Welcome back to FABReviews. It's another quick review of the Samsung TV, how you can actually play games on the TV. Just a few questions that's been firing across, so I thought I'd just answer. So when you go into games on the left-hand pan, so you go in there, and then now you got the game menu being loaded, so the game page loads up. Over here I was playing, my daughter was playing this one, Goat Simulator 3. This is through the Xbox app over here. So, but there is also other games that you can play, which are not part of the thing. It's more to do with the apps. So there's a game menu, but then there's also an apps menu. So if we go into home, and just in case if you're bored, you don't have anything else to do, you're waiting for something, or you're downloading something, you're waiting for the stream to go through, then there's an option for apps. So under the apps, if you scroll down, you will be able to find certain games that you can play without downloading anything. Over here, as you see, I've downloaded some of the apps, and there's Couch Play, there is Doodle Jump. Let's play Doodle Jump for a few seconds just to see how the game comes up. So just click start. It takes a bit of time to load up sometimes. And here we go, the game's loading up. Here we go, the game started now, as you guys can see. So it works perfectly fine, and I'm actually using the controller right here, and the controller is the one that's controlling everything. So if I click play, that's where the game started. Here we go. Just something that we can always enjoy. I'm not really good at this game, to be honest. So this is one game. I mean, there's more games that you can play. Now what I've done is I've exited the game, so I've exited that game. This page loads up. This is called free games. It's part of Samsung's thing. You've got this game, you've got your classic PAC Man, you've got Tetris, loads of games. So there are games that people do want to play just for fun. Okay, here we have PAC Man, which we can load. So this is the classic PAC Man. So since it's ready, there we go. Let me start playing it. This looks fun actually, quite straightforward. Whoa, that was close. Try again. It's been ages I've played this one. Come on, come here. Where are you going? Where are you running away? Come on. There, now you run away from me. One down. 3 more to go. So yeah, fun times. We can all play games. Yeah, keep coming behind me. Watch what I do to you lot. Boom, boom. And you, boom. See, it's going well. I would say everyone should get one of these classics. Something that we all used to play when we were little. I'm going to stop the game. I think I got absorbed by the game. Anyways, the other thing is to use a virtual pad. So there's something part of a virtual pad as well. I'm going to show you guys quickly how that virtual pad works, and give you a better view of how the gaming works on the Samsung TVs. Okay guys, I was saying something about this virtual pad thing. So if you don't have a controller, that's not a problem. You can still use something called a virtual pad. This is the app that you need to download, also provided by the Samsung Electronics. Once you download the app, all you do is just open the app, and you will see that the app now connects to the screen automatically. You've got all your options. Right now, I can't do a record, but I think I can show you that these options are working if I want to switch on the camera. So let's see if we can turn. Okay, so that's how the virtual pad works. So that's just one of the games. So if I go down, as you can see, it allows me to control everything. So the same thing works with the games. So you should be able to control everything with this game. So if I like to select something or select an option, I just click on the A icon over here. So the A icon would actually think, so it's just going to zoom in that photo for me. So that way you can use a virtual controller in case if you don't have a controller available, you can still play those games that I told you. The controller has other options, other buttons up there that can be programmed. So yeah, good handy piece of thing that I haven't seen in any other devices that offer such services. And I would say, yeah, you guys should download this app as well. And always remember to like and subscribe. I see you guys on the next one.